Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs. Okay, so let's check your energy. I mean, your person's energy. Okay, yung emosyon, thoughts, feelings ni person ngayong week pagdating sa'yo. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay? And yeah, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating sa ating mga items. Okay? So, we have protection sa mga evil eye. Okay? Meron din tayong for love. Okay, we have love bracelet for singles and sa may mga conflict no sa kanilang mga persons. Okay? And si grantor. So si grantor unisex. Okay, so si grantor nakakatulong para makapag-manifest ng mas mabilis. And itong si grantor nagma-manifesto ng sarili niya pagdating sa para sa iyo. Okay, may mga ganun siyang characteristic. Okay? So ganyan si grantor, napaka niya ni generous. O, di ba? Doon lang tayo sa magaganda. Ha? Okay, and itong ating bago si cord cut. Okay, yung pang cord cut natin. So, alisin natin yung mga baggages sa pass. Okay, para makaangat-angat. So, meron tayong mga promo sa ngayon. Ano po, if you're interested, message na lang kayo. Okay, sa akin pong FB page for more info. Meron naman kasing nakapost na pagdating dyan sa promo natin. Okay, napaka-limitado o limitado. Limit, oo. No, may limit lang yung ating promo. Dalawa ata yun, sample, pagkakaalam ko. So, yun po, ha? Okay. So, yeah, kung may iba pang tanong, message na lang po, no? Sa ating FB page for more info. Okay. So, let's start. Your person's emotion, thoughts, feelings ngayong week pagdating sa'yo. Okay, you can check your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, North Node kung alam nyo. Okay? So, Aries placements. Okay. So, let's see. Who is this person? Tingnan muna natin ano bang energy ng person mo na to. Okay, anong meron? Sino ba to? The King of Swords in reversed. Pwedeng Aqua. Air sign. Gemini, Libra, Aqua. Okay, the King of Swords in reverse. This is the liar. Okay, nagsinungaling sa'yo yan. Hindi yan naging totoo. Hindi yan naging tapat. What's with that King of Swords in reverse? The Four of Swords in reverse. Magaling magsalita. Magaling magpaikot. They're narcissists, some of them. Okay, a narcissist. Narcissistic. Okay, some of them, sabihin nating may pagka-immature rin. Okay, may mga ganun. Nakatangian yung person. Yeah, the Knight of Wands. May chance na itong taong to nagtago ng mga, specific po nagtago ng mga ibang connection. Ibang kakonek. Okay? So now, some of them bumabalik, or nakikipag-usap sa'yo. Sa ngayon, napaka-specific nito, Aries, gumawa ng hindi tama itong taong to. Pwedeng nagsinungaling nga sa'yo. Okay? And now, parang kumukontak sila sa iyo ngayon, nagsasabi ng kung ano. Okay? I don't know if you need to trust this person. If you have to trust this person, I don't know. Let's see. What is their emotion ngayong week for you, Aries? Okay, the King of Pentacles. Some of you, pwedeng same gender kayo nito. Okay? What's with that King of Pentacles? The Nine of Wands. Pinoprotektahan nila yung sarili nila. Okay? Alam ng taong to kung paano ka parang ihuhook. Some of them, they're giving you material things, gifts, presents, surprises. Okay? They're love bombing you. Okay? They're love bombing you. Yeah, the Two of Cups. May mga ino-offer sa'yo ngayon to, Okay? They're narcissistic. Yeah. The Nine of Wands, meron itong tinatago pa rin hanggang ngayon. Meron pa rin itong ini-avoid. Some of them is pwedeng dinadivert niya yung emosyon mo. Okay, kaya siya gumagawa ng mga bagay-bagay ngayon. Love bombing, breadcrumb. Okay? Para paling mo sa iba. No? Yung, I don't know, if galit ba or whatsoever na emosyon mo. Okay, gusto nito na magkaroon muli kayo ng connection. Actually, okay, alam nila na pwedeng meron silang makukuha from you. Okay, yeah, the Five of Wands. Pwedeng nakikipag-ayos talaga to, ha. Okay. Temperance, Tower, and the Seven of Swords. Ganun pa rin sila. Okay, the Liar, the cheater, the narcissistic person. Okay? Still, meron pa rin itinatago na bad side. Lahat naman tayo, yes, may bad side, may dark side. Pero, yeah, kung gusto ng taong itong bumalik sana, no, ayusin na lang niya. Yung mga dapat ayusin, alisin yung mga dapat alisin. Okay? Baguhin yung mga dapat baguhin. Pero hindi. Some of them, they're just, parang self-centered person. Okay? Iniisip lang nila yung pwedeng mangyari sa kanila. Parang ganyan. So, may chance na may benefits na nakukuha sa'yo tong taong to. Okay? So, syempre, sino bang iniisip niya? Siya pa din. Sarili pa din niya. Okay? So, yun ang aking nakikita pagdating dyan sa person mo. We have here Capricorn, Fire, and Big Air sign. Next, Taurus. Okay, so Taurus placements. Okay, let's see. Let's check your person's emotion ngayong week pagdating sa'yo. Okay, again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Taurus placements. Who is this person? Sino tong taong to? Taurus. Anong meron sa kanya? The Sun. Pwedeng Leo. Pwedeng iba sa inyo. Nagkaroon kayo ng connection nito on the summer month. Summer month? Sa summertime. Okay. Some of them may anak. Yeah. Mga specific po yan, ha? Okay. There's this ego. Pride. Ayun yung nakukuha ko sa kanya. What's with this Sun? The Nine of Swords, Universe. I think some of them, you find them, sabihin nating, attractive. Okay? They're showy. Actually, may pagka-showy itong taong to. I don't know kung anong meron. Yeah, the Ace of Swords. Parang transparent eh. Okay? Some of them pwedeng pinanganak ng summer. Okay? Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo pwedeng galit ka sa kanya, ha? Okay, so just take kung anong nakaka-resonate sa inyo. Iba sa inyo galit ka dito sa taong to, pero you're not telling them or hindi mo ipinapakita. Okay? So, what is their emotion pagdating sa'yo? The Ten of Swords. Some of you, meron ditong ending or separation na nangyari. Okay? Iba sa kana talaga napaka ma-pride, napaka ma-ego. Yung hindi niya ipapakita na nag-i-stress siya or iniisip niya yung kung anong meron sa inyo ngayon niya just because of sabihin natin ay lang makikitang weak sila. Yeah, their ego, their pride. Nandyan. Okay? So, the Ten of Swords, emotion, the Ten of Swords. Maybe they're hiding kung anong meron. Yeah, the Seven of Wands. They're hiding their true feelings. Kung may separation po na nangyari, tinatago nila na para silang natalo. Okay? Ayaw nila mag-sorry. Iba sa kanila. Meron silang paninindigan. Okay? Kung ano man ang nangyari, may paninindigan tong taong to. Kung nakagawa ito sa'yo ng hindi tama, may paninindigan itong taong to, no? Na hindi talaga humingi ng forgiveness or hindi talaga makipag-ayos. It's like, pababayaan ko to. Bakit ako makipag-ayos sa'yo? Parang ganon. Okay? Yan, the Ten of Cups. Yeah, the Hierophant in reversed. Yeah. Some of them, they want to block you. Yeah, they want to block you. Ayaw nilang makakaramdam na para silang sila yung parang naging talunan. Pero yes, sila yung talunan dito. Yeah. Ayaw lang nila talagang mararamdaman nila na parang kawawa sila. Kaya gagawa sila ng aksyon para maramdaman nila na hindi sila naging kawawa. Okay? Yeah. Okay? So we have here fire, air, and Leo. Next. Okay, Gemini. Hi, Gemini. Okay, so let's see. Let's check your person's energy this week. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, Gemini placements. Some of you might be dealing with a fire sign. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Let's see. Who is this person, Gemini? Who is this person you're thinking of? The Star in reversed. Pwedeng Aqua. Aquarius. Feeling hopeless. Anong meron? What's with this Star in reversed? The Page of Cups. Itong taong to, hindi ko sure, no? May chance kasi na pwedeng pagdating sa emosyon niya, napaka-hopeless, no? Pagdating sa'yo, it's like, ano kaya ang meron? Ano kayang emosyon ng taong to? Parang ganun kayo pagdating sa kanya. Okay, you're like looking, searching for their emotion. Seeking, maybe. Yeah, okay? So, andun yung parang, ay, kailangan ko na tong, parang pasuko na yung energy. Okay? So, someone younger, maybe? Yeah. Gusto mo tong taong to, actually. Gusto mo siya. Yeah. Hindi ka lang siguro makakita ng something na kinang, no? Oo. Or chance pagdating sa kanya. I don't know why. So, ano bang meron? Anong emosyon ng taong to sa'yo? Gemini. Yeah, the Four of Cups. Some of them, they're sad. Okay, they're sad. I don't know. Some of them, they're rejecting you. They want to reject you. They're avoiding you. They're sad. I don't know. What's with this Four of Cups? Yeah, the Four of Pentacles in reverse. The Devil. There's obsession here. Somebody. Yung nakukuha kong energy dito, pwedeng flip. Okay? Pwedeng flip siya or vice versa. Okay? So, yes. Mayroon ditong naging hopeless, no? Pagdating sa emosyon. May umasa dito, actually. I think this person, parang nalungkot. I don't know why. Pwedeng ikaw, tingin niya sa'yo is parang hindi niya makita, hindi niya makuha kung ano bang emosyon mo for them. Okay, so, andyan yung palagi lang silang nag-iisip. Dumadating sa punto na itong taong to is pabitaw na or bumitaw na. Okay? Pero yeah. The Devil, the Lovers. I think this person is, sabihin nating, obsessed. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng meron kang ka-connect. Kaya hindi pwede. Yeah. This person is younger. The Wheel of Fortune. Maybe the timing is not right. Okay. There's a lot of blockages here. A lot of hindrance. Parang ganon. Pagdating dyan. Okay. So, yeah. Gusto ka ng taong to, pero nilet go ka niya. Or nilet go, or bumibitaw na sa'yo. Para kasi silang wala naman mangyayari. Parang ganun. Okay? Nangihinayang tong taong to, sa totoo lang, Gemini. Nangihinayang siya. The moon in reverse, yeah. Lumayo sa'yo. Lumalayo na, or maybe lumayo na. Okay? The moon in reverse, they're sad. So sad. The 7 of Swords. Somebody sneaky. Somebody. May naging sneaky. Okay. I don't know kung itong taong ito is talagang tinatago lang niya or talagang nagtitingin-tingin lang talaga ng totoo pagdating sa'yo pero hindi niya nakuha. They're sad. Yeah. Water, earth, water, and aqua. Okay. Alam mo, Gemini. Ito andun yung emosyon na parang you're the one that got away. Okay? Parang may ganon. You're the one that got away. Anyway. Cancer. Okay. So. Okay. Emosyon ni person mo ngayong week. Pagdating sa'yo, Cancer. Cancer placements. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Cancer yan. So, let's see who is this person. The Knight of Wands in reversed. Why? Some of you, meron kayong magandang sitwasyon pagdating sa SEX. Okay? They always want to have SEX to make love with you, something like that. Okay, the Knight of Wands in reversed. Yeah, the Hanged Man in reversed. Some of them talagang may pagka naughty, ganon. Okay? Yeah, napaka-specific. Some of them, yeah, the energy ng player to Cancer. Energy ng player, fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sag. We have here the Hanged Man in reverse. This is Pisces. So, ang nakikita ko dito, Cancer, hindi mo ito nakokontrol. Hindi mo siya control. Okay? Some of you, wala kayong ganong seryosohan na connection or relasyon. Okay? They're player. You can't control this person. Okay? Itong taong to, sabihin natin, hindi ko pa nakikitang nagseryoso. Anong meron? Anong emosyon niya sa ngayon? Para tong lumubog lumitaw. Okay? Babalik, aalis. Ganun yung energy niya. Hindi siya consistent. Anong meron? Pagdating sa emosyon niya for you. Okay, death in reverse, yeah. So, some of you, pwedeng maraming beses na kayo nagkaroon ng hiwalayan ng taong ito, no? Okay, death in reverse and the King of Pentacles. Pwedeng Capricorn. Okay, the Six of Pentacles. Some of them, emosyon, sabihin nating pwedeng sarili lang, okay, self-centered person itong taong to. They're always sabihin nating busy rin, okay, they're into their, sabihin nating money, career, okay, all in all, kaperahan lang inatupag ng taong to sa ngayon. Okay, the Ace of Wands. Maybe the sex is good para sa inyong dalawa. Yes, kailangan ko pong ibulong So, ilapit nyo na lang yung inyong mga cellphone or kung ano man kung sa kayo nakikinig. Ulitin ko, the sex is good sa inyong dalawa. Okay, there's no label here. A lot of in and out energy pagdating sa inyong dalawa. Itong taong to. Wala pong nangyayaring growth dito. Okay? So, kung meron kang hinihintay something pagdating sa kanya regarding growth, regarding improvement, or leveling up the relationship or connection, medyo malabo. Okay? Medyo malabo kasi pwedeng ang mga ginagawa ng taong ito is puro kanya, or pera, or responsibilities. Okay? This is sabihin nating wala patungkol sa'yo. Okay? So, I think wala pa siyang gaano na plano or goals pagdating sa'yo or sa connection ninyo kung anong meron man. Okay? Ang naririnig ko lang dito is, the sex is good. Okay? No labels. May nakita akong angel number para sa'yo, Cancer. 222. Okay? So, yeah. Palagi siyang nandyan para sa'yo, I think. Okay? Yung parang isusupport ka niya. It's like ganun lang ipaparamdam niya sa'yo. Pero yung pagiging open or pagiging sabihin nating magsesettle, no, wala akong nakikita. Okay, she or he is willing to help, lalo na financially. Parang may ganun siya na characteristic, okay? So, yeah. Capricorn, Scorpio, Pisces, and Sagittarius. Okay, next. Leo. Okay, Leo placement. Hi. So again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's see your person's emotion ngayong week pagdating sa'yo. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Ano bang meron? Okay. Tingnan muna natin kung anong meron sa kanya. Ano ba to? Ano bang meron sa kanya? Sino ba ite, Leo? The Knight of Pentacles in reverse. The Stubborn. Yung matigas yung ulo. Hindi mo masasabihan kung anong dapat gawin. Earth sign. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay. What's with this Knight of Pentacles in reversed? The Six of Pentacles in reversed. Hindi mo to mapapasunod. Okay. Some of them, andun yung pagmamatigas patungkol sa pakikipag-ayos. Nagmamatigas itong taong to na sabihin nating humingi ng sorry. Nagmamatigas siya. Yeah, the Two of Swords. Andun pa yung nag-iisip pa itong taong to. Maybe humahanap ng sariling dahilan or sabihin nating magandang dahilan. Okay? Para lang makipag-ayos, para mag-sorry. Pero wala. Wala siyang makita o wala siyang mahanap na dahilan para gawin niya yun. Itong taong to, alam na alam ninyo, ha, Leo? Kailangan nitong humingi ng sorry sa'yo. Gusto nitong makipag-ayos. Gusto niya makipagbalikan. Pero, nagmamatigas siya. Okay? So, yun yung taong yan, ha? Some of them, pwedeng gusto nilang makita mo sila na hindi sila nag-i-stress pagdating dito. Pero, super stress siya. Ha? Okay, let's see. What is their emotion? Thoughts, feelings. Yeah. The King of Wands. They still love you. They still like you. Okay? Passionately. They still want to do it with you. Yes. Itong taong to, may goal pa rin, may plano pa rin, ha? Pagdating sa inyo, Leo. Okay, some of you, you're still, maybe standing on your ground, like hindi ka rin nagpapatibag. Patigasan kayo nito. Okay, who is this King of Wands? The Fool in reversed. Ayaw nito na magmumukha siyang weak. Ayaw nito na magmumukha siyang kawawa or parang hindi siya talaga bababa. Okay, hindi siya yuyuko. Okay, the Hermit. Temperance, this person is just waiting, sitting, waiting na ikaw ang gumawa ng aksyon para kayong ano ba magandang wala, naghihintayan lang kayo nitong taong to, ha? Patigasan kayo. Yes, patigasan kayo ng taong to. Virgo, Sagittarius. Kita mo, nakaupo lang siya. Waiting na ikaw ang gumawa ng action pagdating sa kanya. Yes. Pero yeah, open na open itong taong to pagdating sa'yo. Okay? Yeah. The Ten of Swords, ito yung dahilan kung bakit ganyan. Yung iba sa inyo, pwede nga may nangyaring hiwalayan or separation or maybe talagang may nag-end lang. Bigla. Okay? So, yeah. Yun ang akin nakikita. Aries, fire sign, Sagittarius, and earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay? So, next, Virgo. Hi! Okay, hi, Virgo. Virgo placements. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's see your person's emotion this week for you. Okay. Ano bang meron sa kanya? Sino ba ito, Virgo? Who is this person? The Ten of Cups in reversed. May nangyaring nakakalungkot. Okay? Pwedeng nalulungkot ka. Some of them, pwedeng wala sa'yo to ngayon, tong taong to. Hindi kayo magkasama. Pwedeng water sign. The Ten of Cups in reverse. Why? The Four of Pentacles. Some of them, hindi sila marunong makontento. Sa totoo lang. Lagi silang may paghahanap. Okay? Iba sa kanila po, ha? Sabihin nating merong abandonment issue. Okay? Malalim yun. Alam ko hindi lahat malalaman yun. Pero yeah, this person has abandonment issue. Takot itong iwan. Takot itong parang mabaliwala. Okay? So, may chance itong taong ito, sila lagi mismo yung lumalayo, umaalis. Hindi nila hahayaan na parang mauunahan sila, no? Na layuan, alisan, ayaw nila yun. Mas gugustuhin ng taong tong mas mauna na umalis, lumayo sa isang connection. Okay? So, meron silang ganyan. Yeah, the Eight of Cups. Pwedeng lumayo sa'yo to. Nilayuan ka. Okay? Takot sila eh. Takot silang makaramdam ng sadness kasi na-trauma, some of them. Okay? May past trauma. May childhood trauma maybe. Okay? Yeah. So, ano bang meron pagdating sa emosyon nito sa'yo, Virgo? Nilet go ka niya, oh. Nayaan mo lang din. The Four of Pentacles, that's your energy. Pwedeng, okay, go. Parang may ganun. So, emosyon ng taong to, Virgo. Let's see. The Magician. Yeah. They're open. Yeah, they're open. Some of you, this is you. This is your energy. Okay? So, some of you, ikaw itong kumokontak. Or maybe they want you to contact them. They're manifesting you. Okay, what's with this Magician? You're the Five of Wands. What? Yeah, the King of Cups. They want you to chase them. This person wants you to chase them. To make effort for them. Okay? There's drama. Yeah. The Page of Swords in reverse. This person is stalking you. Ini-stalk ka niya, iniisip ka niya. Iba sa kanila, ikaw ang sinisisi nito kung anumang meron. Sinisisi ka niya, napakadaming drama mo daw. Napakadami mong drama, Virgo. Okay? Iniisip rin ng taong to na kapag kumonta ka, dadrama na naman eh. Maybe they are avoiding you. Okay? Nandun pa yung love, if ever. Kung gusto mo malaman, nandun pa. Okay? Two of Swords. In reversed. Ikaw ang hinihintay nito. Yeah. Ikaw ang hinihintay nito, Virgo, na gumawa ng aksyon. Wala daw sa kanilang desisyon. Ha? Okay? Yeah, the Ten of Wands, they're dropping you. Pwedeng ganito ang pinapakita niya sa'yo, na parang walang pakialam, nahayaan ka niya. Yeah. Okay? Anyway, so naghihintay lang siya na gumawa ka ng effort pagdating sa kanya. Pero ang nakikita ko dito, yeah, the Queen of Swords, the Queen of Wands in reverse, the Eight of Swords in reverse. Asahan mo may mga sabihin nating pang-blame. Okay, may mga pang-blame na sasabihin sa'yo itong taong to. Be-blame ka niya kung makikipag-usap yan. Okay? Yeah. Anyway, so we have air, fire, Virgo, earth, and water. Next, Libra. Libra, hi! Okay, so again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Libra placements. Okay, let's see your person's emotion this week pagdating sa'yo. Okay? Kunin muna natin yung energy niya. Ano bang meron sa taong yan? Okay, who's this person you're thinking? Okay. Libra, anong meron dyan sa person mo? Sino yan? Okay, the King of Pentacles. Some of them may pera. Some of them, they're businessman, a businesswoman. Okay? Reliable. Yeah, may ganong siyang energy. Kung dito muna tayo magtitingin. Okay? So, anong meron dyan sa King of Pentacles? Pwedeng kasama mo sa work. Okay? What's with this King of Pentacles? The Two of Wands in reversed. They're guarded. Yeah. Puro pera. Okay? In general, they're busy person. Okay? They're busy person. Pwedeng Capricorn, fire. May fire din. Aries, Leo, Sag. Na masyadong seryoso itong taong to, Libra. Okay, ano tong Two of Wands in reversed? What's with this? Yeah. The Four of Pentacles. Yung energy niya kasi para siyang holding back. Okay? Reserved. Parang ganun. Mga palalaki, mga pababae, kung naman ang gender niya. Seryoso. Parang ganun. Okay? Holding back. Puro pera ang nakikita ko dito. Anyway, so what is their emotion for you? Their emotion, Libra. The King of Swords. Cold. Detached. Silent. Pagdating sa'yo, itong taong to. Why? Why the Queen of Swords? Anong meron? The Seven of Swords in reversed. I think this person, parang ginagawa nila, I think they're watching you. Okay? They're curious, I think. Maraming gustong malaman sa'yo tong taong to, actually. Pero yeah, they're silent. Yeah. Marami silang gustong malaman. I don't know kung bakit. Hindi ko alam kung anong meron. Hindi sila nakikipag-usap. They're not available. Okay? Ano tong Seven of Swords in reverse? Anong gusto nilang malaman sa'yo? The Three of Pentacles. Some of you, this is your energy, ha? Si Queen of Swords, this is Libra. I think they're mirroring you. Okay? Some of you, you're mirroring each other. Nagiging burden na yung situation para sa inyong dalawa, Libra. Okay? So, nakikita ko rito, gusto rin malaman ng taong to kung anong meron pagdating sa emosyon mo for them. Pero hindi nila makita, hindi nila malaman. Gusto nila ng magandang kooperasyon. Okay? Itong taong to pwedeng nakakasama mo madalas or pwedeng nakasama mo noon. Yeah, pwedeng sa workplace or sa isang environment. Nasa small circle lang kayo ng taong to. Okay, pwedeng friend mo to. Friend of friend. Pwedeng ganyan. Hindi sila makagawa ng action eh. They don't know kung paano. Okay? The Emperor in reverse. Alam nyo, nandoon yung curiosity ng taong to. Okay? Pero wala akong makuha ang energy ng love dito, ha? Okay? Andun lang yung parang naku-curious sa'yo itong taong to. Yun lang. Wala akong makuha ang energy ng love dito. I'm sorry. They're watching you. Keeping tabs on you. Yeah. Four of Pentacles, Three of Pentacles, Seven of Pentacles. Okay, they're expecting something from you. You're maybe both expecting something from each other. You're mirroring each other, Libra. You're guarded, they are guarded. They're silent, you're silent. Okay? So, ang gusto nito, magkaroon ng magandang kooperasyon sa inyong dalawa. Ay, napakaganda naman. No, oo, pareho kayong tahimik. Hindi ko alam. Ha? Hanggat walang nagkakaroon ng, sabi natin, nag-step up dito sa sitwasyon, pabigat ng pabigat to. Okay? So, meron sigurong mga kailangang i-express. Meron sigurong mga kailangang i-express, sabihin, i-share, something like that. I don't know kung ano. Okay? In general, gusto ng taong to, magkaroon din naman kayo ng kahit kaunti ang connection. Okay? Marami silang gustong malaman pagdating sa'yo. Okay, Earth, Air, Libra, Earth, Fire, Capricorn. Okay, Scorpio. Hi! Scorpio placements. Let's see. Let's check your person's energy and emotion niya ngayong week. Pagdating sa'yo, Scorpio. Anong meron? Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Anong meron sa person mo? The Ten of Pentacles in reverse. Some of them, they have money issue. Okay? Family issue maybe. Okay, what's with this Ten of Pentacles in reverse? Yeah, the Empress in reverse. Some of them, may family issue nga. No? Iba sa kanila, about money. Okay? Iba sa kanila, nandun yung hindi sila ganoon na ka-confident. Okay? Meron silang doubt sa sarili. May pagka-introvert tong taong to, Scorpio. May pagka-introvert. Okay? Iba sa kanila, pwedeng single parent. May anak. Pero may issue. Naanakan, nagkaanak. Parang ganyan. Mga specific po yun ha. Kunin lang ko na makaka-resonate sa inyo. Okay? May nangyaring fallout sa inyo ng taong to. Let's see. Anong emosyon niya? pagdating sa'yo, Scorpio. They're not ready to settle down, I think. The Ten of Wands universe, they're dropping you. Feeling nila kailangan itong isuko. Okay? Some of them, nandun yung pagsuko sa'yo. The Nine of Pentacles. May nangyaring separation. Now, they're single. Okay? They're single. Some of them, a lot of responsibilities. A lot of, sabihin nating, pasanin. Okay? Meron tong taong to. Some of them, they're healing. Okay? Focusing on their goals. Focusing on their dreams. Yeah. Scorpio, meron pang energy rito na I think this person likes you. Pero hindi sila ganun ka-confident enough na magugustuhan mo sila kasi napaka-specific. Hindi sila kagandahan or kagwapuhan. Okay? Ganon. May ganon energy ng taong to. Hindi sila ganun ka-confident enough sa sarili. But yeah, they're interested. They're attracted pagdating sa'yo. They're thinking of you. Okay? They like you. Pero, yeah, parang wala akong maasahan kay Scorpio, or sabihin natin parang wala akong pag-asa dito kay Scorpio. Walang mangyayari sa amin. So, I need to drop this. I have to drop this kasi, yes. Wala eh. Parang ganon. Okay? Yeah, the Seven of Wands in reverse. Hindi na to para i-pursue. Okay? May ganon siya. Hindi niya ako magugustuhan. Mga ganon na energy. Itong taong to. Yeah, the Hierophant in reverse. This person is single. Okay? Iba sa kanila talagang wala pa akong nakikitang nakarelasyon. Napaka-specific nun. Okay? Kung ito is a past person then may energy rito na parang feeling niya drop na lang ito, wala nang pag-asa to. Pipiliin ko na lang na maging single muna, parang ganon. And wala na muna akong pakialam sa relasyon. Parang may ganon siya. Okay? Pero yeah, ang nakuha ko dito is kung magkakaroon ng pagkakataon na magkaroon ng komunikasyon or connection muli sa inyong dalawa, igagrab niya yun. Okay? So, yeah. Cancer, Earth, Fire. Taurus, Virgo, Libra, Earth. Okay, Sag. So, hello, Sagittarius. Placements. Let's see. Let's check your person's energy and emotion this week. Okay. Who is this person? Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Okay, Sag. Your person's energy. Sino ba ito? The Eight of Cups in reversed. Ito yung taong hindi mo malayuan, or pwedeng vice versa or flip yung energy. Hindi mo malayuan. Talagang pinag-i-stayan mo pa rin. There's a lot of back and forth energy, or parang in and out. Okay. What's with this Eight of Cups in reversed? Yeah, the Star in reversed. Ito yung taong kailangan mo ng pag-move onan pero hindi mo ginagawa. Yeah, the Five of Cups in reverse, the King of Cups. So, andun yung energy na ang dami talagang dahilan. Lagi kang may isang dahilan para bumalik sa kanya. See? The Three of Cups. Lagi kang may dahilan para magkaroon ng dahilan na magka-connect muli kayo. Pero alam mo sa sarili mo na walang mangyayari. Okay? Water, Aqua. Some of you, you're feeling hopeless pagdating sa inyong dalawa. Pero yes, mas pipiliin ko pa rin na magstay sa kanya. Parang ganon. So, what is their emotion? The devil. There's attachments. Obsession. Someone is obsessed. Some of you, you're in a label, you're in a connection na parang sex-based lang. Okay? Yeah. What's with this devil? Maybe the sex is great. No? Okay, what's with this devil? Yeah, the Queen of Cups. The Queen of Pentacles Universe. I think andun lagi yung suporta. Kailangan na kailangan ka nito. Yeah, kailangan na kailangan. Andoon yung attachment. Okay? Kahit sabihin natin hindi na ganoon nagwawagi yung love, mas pinipili pa rin na magstay eh. Okay? Yeah, the Nine of Swords. Kahit wala ng peace of mind dito, okay? Somebody is obsessed. Meron ditong pagdadamot. Ayaw ka nito na mawawala. Ayaw ka nito na mapupunta ka sa iba. Kaya mas pipiliin at mas pipiliin talaga na magstay. Yung iba sa inyo, kahit wala na kayo, tatanggapin at tatanggapin ka nito eh. Or sabihin nating sex, open to. Yeah. Kahit wala ka nang pakialam sa kanya or what. Yeah, ganun ka-obsess itong taong to, Sag. See? The Ten of Swords. Kahit maraming beses na may mangyaring hindi tama or yeah, there's something wrong here. Okay? Maraming beses na itong parang na backstab, no? Pero parang pinipili at pinipili ka pa rin. I don't know kung ikaw itong gumawa ng hindi tama sa kanya. Okay? Pwedeng ayaw mo na sa kanya eh. Pero nandun yung parang may napipilitan na lang dito kasi okay. Pwede naman eh. Kahit walang label. Parang ganun. So maybe sex. Okay? Ito yung sitwasyon na kahit i-fix mo ng i-fix walang mangyayari. Parang ganun yung energy nyo. Hahantong at hahantong rin naman sa hiwalayan or sa ending. So, iba sa inyo, pwedeng walang label nga, pero maraming ganun. Parang ganyan. Yeah, gusto niya ng ganun palagi. Some of them, they're obsessed pagdating sa SEX. Okay, pagdating sa'yo in general. Yeah. They're like chained, like nakahook. Okay? So, next, Capricorn. Okay, Capricorn. Hi. Okay, let's see. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Napaka-importante niyan. Okay? Oo, thank you sa mga nagda-like, sa mga nag-share, at mga nagsasubscribe. Okay, so Capricorn placements. Who is this person you're thinking? Anong meron sa kanya? The Six of Swords. Air sign. What's with the Six of Swords? Temperance. So, ito yung taong kailangan mo nang lumayo. Ito yung kailangan mong layuan. Naghihintay ka sa kanya actually. In general, may hinihintay ka sa taong to. Yeah, they're holding back or maybe hindi sila available sa ngayon. Okay, yeah, the Seven of Swords. You're still watching pagdating sa kanya. Pagdating sa taong to, you're watching, you're waiting. Okay? May gap na nangyari, may pagdistansyang nangyari dito. Sag, meron ding air sign. So, anong meron? Emotion niya for you. The Page of Wands, Universe. They want to get your attention. What? Younger person. What's with this Page of Wands, Universe? The Knight of Swords. The Five of Swords. Somebody is hard-headed, like matigas yung ulo. Somebody's making mixed signals. Yeah, throwing mixed signals, giving hints. Okay, small hints. Itong taong to, gusto niya makipag-usap sa'yo. Okay? Gusto nitong taong to gumawa ka ng aksyon. Kaso nga lang, hinihintay mo siya. Paano to? Iba sa inyo kung kailangan talaga maglayo muna kayo or maghiwalay ng taong to. Umaasa itong taong to na in the near future na magkakausap at magkikita muli, maybe kayong dalawa. Now, hindi pa. The Emperor in reverse. They want to talk actually. They want to talk. They want to communicate. They want to hear something from you. Some of them, they want to share something. They want to share good news maybe. Yeah, the King of Wands in reverse. This person is young. Okay? They're young. Yung iba sa inyo, Capricorn, may hinihintay kang something dito sa taong to, pero hindi sila handa. Okay? Hindi sila handa sa kung anong gusto nyo. They're too young. Maybe immature. A lot of page. Oh, Page of Pentacles, Page of Swords, the Two of Cups. Soul recognition, soul ties, maybe. That is why. So, I think, sabihin nating hindi ito yung tamang timing para sa inyo. Walang balanse eh. Kailangan ng balanse sa sitwasyon ninyong dalawa. The Tower. So, meron ditong nag-avoid. I'm hearing runner and chaser energy dito sa inyo. Okay? I don't know who's the runner. I don't know who's the chaser. But I think they're the runner. Okay? They're the runner. Sila yung lumalayo. Sila yung tumatakbo. Parang ganyan. Pero, yeah, the King of Wands in reverse. Wala pa itong kaseryosohan sa buhay. Yeah. Ikaw, alam mo na kailangan mo munang layuan itong taong to. Okay? You're being patient sa kanya. Alam mong merong kailangang i-grow itong taong to, i-improve. You're being patient pagdating sa kanila, actually. Okay? Well, they're too immature for you. Okay? They're not ready. They're not. Again, the Two of Cups. Okay, so I think yung timing sa ngayon, hindi ito yung right time pagdating sa inyong dalawa. Okay? Yeah, kailangan mo nang lumayo dito. Yeah. Iba sa inyo, itong taong to, maraming kakonek. Hindi kayo pareho ng goal at hindi kayo pareho ng mga plano ng taong to sa ngayon. Some of you, this is your twin flame. Some of you. Okay? So, hindi ko nakikita na tumatiming, no? Or sabihin nating umaayos ng magandahan itong sitwasyon. Or hindi nakikiayon yung sitwasyon sa inyo. So, nagkita lang kayo nito. Maybe, nagkatagpo lang kayo. Pero, alam mo, Capricorn, hindi mo kailangan magtiyaga, no? Dito sa sitwasyon nyo na to, or hindi mo rin kailangan maghintay. Okay? Para mag-improve siya, sa improvement niya, sa progress niya, hindi mo kailangan maghintay. Kasi, yung energy mo, kung ikaw is maghihintay sa ganito, mapepending eh. Okay? Tingnan natin. Ano tong Temperance? Pero yeah, alam mo naman yung mga kailangan mong gawin. Okay? Pero yung energy, it's like you're waiting. Yeah, 6 of Wands. 10 of Wands. So, ma-stuck ka. Okay? The Judgment, the Ace of Wands. This is sabihin nating maraming opportunity. Maraming papasok na magagandang opportunity. Pero nandito ka. Kailangan mo talagang bitawan yung energy ng paghihintay. Okay? Andito yung victory, andito yung goal. Pero, the energy is too heavy. Okay? It's like, yung energy mo patungkol dito sa paghihintay na to is like nakatali sa'yo. Nagigets nyo? Okay? So, yun po ha, yung energy ninyong dalawa ng taong to. So, marami para silang ginagawa sa ngayon. They're not ready pagdating sa'yo. Okay? Sagittarius, air, fire. So, big Sagittarius placements. Okay? So, next. Okay, Aquarius placements. Yan. Okay, again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Aquarius. So, your person's energy and emotion this week. Anong meron sa person mo? Anong meron sa kanya? Ay, the Lovers. They feel a strong connection with you. May chance nakakonect mo to sa ngayon or karelasyon mo. Pwedeng Gemini. Okay. What's with these Lovers? Oh, the 3 of Wands. This person wants a relationship with you. They're expecting or maybe they're waiting for you. Okay? They're waiting. And the Knight of Cups. I think this person loves you. They like you. Vice versa. Flipped. Okay? Iba sa inyo pwedeng malayo. Ha? Malayo ito sa'yo. Anyway, let's see. Emosyon ng taong to pagdating sa'yo, Aquarius. The 5 of Cups. Why? Why the panghihinayang? Why the regrets? Why? The 7 of Wands. The Sun. Wow. This is nice. Okay, Aqua. Yeah, the Page of Cups. Itong taong to, ayaw niya na manghihinayang sa inyo ha. I'm channeling a message. Kung kayo ay LDR, may chance na puntahan ka nito, i-surprise ka nito. Yes. Okay? They want to see you. Yeah. Gagawa ng action, gagawa ng pagpupursue itong taong to. Okay? Kung may nangyaring hindi maganda or may nangyaring or may nagawang kasalanan nitong taong to, makikipag-ayos siya. Okay? Makikipag-ayos to. May pagpupursue ako nakikita dito. Gusto nila na magandang resulta pagdating sa inyong dalawa, Aqua. Okay? Yeah, they're planning. They're planning. Nakagawa nga ng sabihin nating pagsisinungaling itong taong to sa past. Ayaw nila ng manghinayang. Okay? Gusto nito ng reconnection with you. Okay? See? Magician. Yeah. They're manifesting you. Maybe they're manifesting a relationship with you. If this is a new person, they want a relationship with you. A romantic relationship. Yeah, they like you. They want you. They want to pursue you. Okay? See, kinat ko lang. The Ace of Cups. They love you. This is new, I think. A new person. Yeah. Okay. So, you're always on their mind. Okay. So, Leo, fire, water, Gemini, air. I don't know, fire. Next. Okay, Pisces. Hi. Okay, hi Pisces. So, again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Who is this person, Pisces? Let's see. Let's check their emotions. Thoughts, feelings, ngayong week for you. So, ano bang meron sa kanya, Pisces? Oh, the King of Swords in reverse. Pwedeng Aqua or air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Why? What's with this King of Swords in reverse? The Lovers. Pwedeng kakonect mo to sa ngayon. Pero hindi sila faithful. Napaka-unfaithful. They're a liar. They're a narcissistic person. A controller. Okay? The Five of Pentacles. Laging lang may pananakot itong taong to pagdating sa inyo. Pagdating sa inyong dalawa. Yeah, andun yung parang lagi ka na lang nitong tatakutin na okay, lalayo na ako sa'yo, makikipaghiwalay na ako. Parang puro ganun na lang. Okay? I don't know why. So, may chance na karelasyon mo to sa ngayon or kakonect. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng, ito another energy. Pwedeng itong taong ito, takot na ito na may mangyaring separation. No? See, may dalawa tayong energy. May chance na itong taong to, may takot ng magkaroon ng separation sa inyong dalawa. Okay? May ganun rin. Magkaiba po yun, ha? So, kunin lang kung anong meron. Okay, so, emotion, the Eight of Swords. Why? The Nine of Swords in reverse. Yeah, the King of Pentacles. So, ang nakikita ko dito, kung ito yung energy ng tao na talagang lagi na lang may pagalit, okay? Some of them, ginagamit nila yung kunyari, galit sila para magstay ka sa connection or what. Ayan, narcissist, may pagkaganyan yung tao. So, emotion for you, thoughts, feelings, hindi sila magiging klaro. Okay? Ikaw itong parang paghahanapin. Okay? Gagawin niyang malaking question mark yung emosyon niya para sa'yo. Para ikaw itong mag-worry. Okay? Gustong-gusto nitong taong to na nag-iisip ka palagi kung ano bang meron. Kasi doon ka nila nakokontrol. Okay? Doon ka nila parang napapasunod. Doon ka nila parang natatakot. Okay? So, yeah, they're playing safe. They're playing safe. Kung itong tao naman na to is takot na mawala ka na, no, sa buhay niya, hindi naman niya sasabihin yon. Okay? So, nandyan yung energy na parang hindi niya ipapaalam sa'yo, like, tahimik lang siya, para siyang walang worry. Okay, there's something here. There's something here. Anong meron dito sa lovers? Nakakakuha ko dito, Pisces, ha, na itong taong to is hindi para sa'yo. Okay? Gusto niya ng connection with you kahit mali. Some of you, you're in a relationship. Okay? So, nandyan yung parang wala siyang magagawa rito kundi tanggapin kung anong meron sa inyo. Ano tong lovers? What's with this? Yeah. See? That, yeah. The Two of Wands, the Two of Cups, the King of Wands. Some of you, ginagawa mo siyang third party, no? Yeah. Third party mo tong taong to. Gagawin ko to para sa connection natin. Magpapaka-TANGA ako dito. Magbubulag-bulagan ako dito. Kung ano man, tatanggapin ko kung anong meron. Kahit napaka-obvious naman. Kawawa naman itong person. Sana walang ganon. Okay? Sana hindi rin ikaw yung nakakaranas ng ganon pagdating sa kanya. Okay, Pisces? Sana, ha? Kasi yun nga, sabi ko, meron ditong takot na mawala na. Or may takot dito na magkaroon ng separation. So, andun yung parang i-accept na lang kung anong meron. Tinanong ko ano ba tong lovers na to. Decision, oh. Meaning, may mga pagpili. May chance na pwedeng third party ka. Okay, pwedeng third party ka ng taong to. So, just take what resonates, okay? What resonates. Kunin lang, okay? And again, don't try or don't force a message to fit. Kunin lang kung anong sa tingin mo yung iyo, okay? Kasi, syempre, ang dami yung nanonood. So, wala siyang gagawin kundi the Five of Cups para lang maiwasan yung drama. Yeah, para lang maiwasan yung separation or pagkakaroon ng hiwalayan dito or ending. Meron dito parang tatanggap, parang okay, bakala na. It's like magi-stay dito. Parang okay, accept ko na lang to. Yeah. So, sad yung energy pagdating dito sa kanya. Kung sino man to, or maybe ikaw to, Pisces. Sana walang ganun, no? Okay, so there. Yeah, yun ang aking energy. Yun ang aking reading. Oo. Pagdating sa inyo, all signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.